All right, great. Let's take another quick tour through ThetaTrader. We're going to look at a Dragonfly strategy today and go a little bit deeper. So do take a look at the risk disclosure. It is important to read through that in the next few moments here. Remember that all funds committed should be risk capital, and then that past performance is never a guarantee of future results. Okay, and we're going to switch screens here. Just one moment. Okay, so we're going to go backwards in time, and I just picked a kind of a random date here last summer, and you can see there are bullish and bearish and non-directional neutral strategies available at any given time on these markets, the E-mini, S&P 500, NASDAQ 100, and the mini Russell 2000. We'll go ahead and look at the Dragonfly September end of month expiration. And we'll go ahead and click on that. So it's going to pull up all that data for us. All right, now here's what this looks like going backwards in time. You can use these buttons and go forward and back in time, one day at a time, or go backwards a day at a time. And we'll use this button and sort of play the activity here. And I'll point out what's happening here down below. You can see day by day. The market's moving up and down, of course, here. And the profit and loss on that trade is changing according to what the markets are doing, and of course theta decay. And you'll notice this green is called the risk thermal indicator, and it's all green. That means do nothing. The trade is starting to work out and turn profitable because the market's going sideways, and you've collected premium on the calls and the puts here. These are the upper and lower boundaries on that trade. And if you keep going, a few more days go by, you can see the trade is working out nicely, and then it turns blue, and that means to take profits. And you can automate this so that you don't have to screen watch or babysit your trades as well. We can show you how to do that next time around, but I want to point out the structure of the Dragonfly here, very unique. The red line are the options you're selling, and the blue lines are the ones that you buy. And so for every option you're short, you're also long an option to cover that position, so there's not unlimited risk, whether it's on the puts or the calls. So this is a great premium collection strategy. You can do this all at one price and one order with us. I've never seen anyone else be able to do that with any other brokerage firm. And that's going to cover it for the Dragonfly, and we'll jump into some more details as we go on day by day. So be sure to follow us and subscribe, and also sign up for a free demo in the description. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.